What you're about to see, in the next 5 minutes is probably going to change the way you view bad boys. Today in this video I am going to tell you, how bad boys break the rules to make women run after them like crazy. It is quite obvious, that majority of men are nice guys, and when we see a pretty hot girl hanging around with that one guy, we pretty much get confused. It is all because of the way they break the rule, and here's how they do it. So, let's get started. Number 1, they don't want to be friends. Right from the first meeting with girls, these dudes so-called bad boys make it clear that they are not friendship materials. They make it clear by the way they act, by being flirty and touchy with a girl, making it quite obvious that they are not going to be friends. Whereas nice guys just start being friends and end up being in the friend zone. When these dudes get asked by women to be friends, they clearly say, "Do I look like a friendship material?" making it clearly register in her mind, that he ain't gonna be her friend, or with any other girl. Number 2, he is not waiting to impress. The majority of bad boys play with girls' minds in a way, women cannot resist being around them. They don't want to impress anyone around. Nice guys do it and are seen to be needy and desperate for women. The thing with these bad boys is that they do what they want, they speak what they want, basically, they reflect their true self before anyone. They don't care about others' validation for their comfort. In reality, bad boys take action rather than wait for the perfect opportunity to show up. Let me give you an easy example. If a lion waited for a perfect opportunity to hunt its prey, it would starve to death. In most cases what we see is the lion taking action, instead of waiting for the perfect opportunity. That is what's exactly happening with bad boys. Taking action is better than regretting it after it's over. Number 3, they have more options. These men look for compatibility and find happiness. They know that they have many opportunities with women around them, and are not going to hang around for that one girl if she doesn't fall for him. They can move on easily and can search for much better women out there. Eventually, this type of attitude is what is going to drive women crazy. These men clearly know, they've got much better women in this world, if things don't go as expected with the woman he is flirting with. He can take rejection very easily and move on. He is very confident in making women want him, and he knows how to do it. So, worry not my friends, just by building up such an attitude, you can take rejection easily and build up the confidence to tackle other women. Number 4, they are confusing. The way these men behave is going to make women run for them. The woman currently in relation to this so-called bad boy is always confused if he is really interested in her or not. They don't let their emotions explain how they feel about a woman. Once we let our emotions, we are basically giving women power that we are going to be around her all the time. But the thing is, if we don't let our emotions flow, we are going to have more power to make her come after us. That's what bad boys do. The only thing I want to say is, just don't be the same guy all the time. Just explore and bring up new changes to your personality, so that you look attractive and interesting every time you meet women. Number 5, they are willing to walk away. The most important characteristic that scares a woman in these bad guys is their ability to walk away. Once they don't find the relationship they want, they just have no need to explain how and what happened, but instead, they just walk away. Many men keep on chasing and convincing the women if they walk away. But the scenario is quite different with these guys. They don't try to apologize or try to get with her back on, instead, they just walk away. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.